Adventures in 3D Printing Part 406, when the filament runs out.
Well, I actually hate to see it. I'm almost out of this Beluga dual silk and poly maker. Coming up on one of these parts here, and yeah, it's almost empty. Ooh. Yeah, what I'm probably going to do is just end up just reprinting that one part instead of just continuing with a different color. And I have a little bit of white left, so I think I'm just going to try to make that one part in white to match the screws that I made over on my Prusa Mini. What is this I'm printing? Yep, just ran out right there. And it immediately paused. I think it's the first time on my bamboo that I've actually ran out of filament, so it's interesting to see how it all behaves and all that. I'm tempted to put that white on there just to see how it would look. You know, I might actually do that. Nah. Alright, I changed out the filament. I got the bamboo PLA white that came with the printer. I still have some of that left. And we're just going to print that one part all over again. First layer going down now. Off she goes. Yep, close but no cigar. I only got part of this one done, so this one will be in white. Shouldn't be that big of a deal though. Success!